Your dental health, brought to you by Tupelo Smiles Family and Cosmetic Dentistry.
Several commercially marketed genetic tests claim to measure your susceptibility to disease, including gum disease and future cavities. But your chances of having these problems have more to do with your diet and oral habits than your genes. These tests look for clues in your DNA that could indicate whether or not you're at risk for developing certain medical conditions. However, just because you have a DNA marker for a particular disease does not mean you will develop the disease. That's because many diseases, including cavities and gum disease, are based more on lifestyle and environment. Genetic testing may hold potential to improve predictions of future dental health, but the tools your dentist is already using during the exam are the best ways to know where you stand in terms of your health and what might happen in the future. For your dental health, I'm Dr. Richard Caron.
For more information on this topic or to set up an appointment, call Dr. Caron and Dr. Kenny's office at 662-840-1535.